If you haven't found your lost stuff yet, not only is there lost and found department, but there is a patron saint of the absent-minded. And the best part of this is a sing-along. And I think you can figure it out. And no matter who you pray to, if you pray to nobody at all, say this little prayer, and it just might help you to find your stuff. Saint Anthony lost and found. 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 Saint Anthony, look around. Something's lost and must be found. They told me if I tell you, then you'll come to my rescue. In view of my situation, in lieu of a small donation, and if it ain't coming back, help me find the grace I lack. Saint Anthony lost and found. 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 One day I lost my temper. One day I stumbled behind. Oh, can you please help me find where it was I lost my mind? Casino took my money, and I just lost my money. I'm guessing they won't be back. Help me find the good sense out of that. Saint Anthony lost and found. 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 I'm having seen your moment. The truth cuts like a knife. I'm having seen your moments. I've had them all my life. Saint Anthony, help me find some place in another time when I held my head high in my town, when there was nothing I held to live down. My father, my mother, old lovers and scars of others, and all the words I can't take back. Help me find the grace I lack. Saint Anthony lost and found. Saint Anthony lost and found. Saint Anthony lost and found. Saint Anthony lost and sing it with me. Lost and found. Lost and found. Saint Anthony lost and lost and Saint Anthony lost and found. Thank you so much. Thank you again, Scott Wolfson and other heroes.
Morristown Green.